Imagine a world where the extraordinary becomes ordinary, where the concept of aliens abducting cows isn't just a lore, but a tangible, fun-filled reality. That's exactly what you get with this innovative UFO item. This gem arrived in a beautifully illustrated box, teasing the adventure that lay within. Inside, a whimsical storybook unravels the amusing backstory of aliens and their inexplicable fascination with cows. The illustrations are vibrant and the story is captivating, a fun diversion before the main event. But the true magic lies in the UFO itself. This isn't your typical gadget, it's an experience, a playful dance of trial and error as you figure out the mechanics of abduction. Even the most tech-savvy might need a few attempts, but that's part of the charm. The instructions are there, simple and clear, for those who prefer a smoother transition into the abduction business. The UFO is accompanied by a small mound of grass, the perfect perch for your unsuspecting bovine. The suspense builds as you position your cow for the big moment. The UFO doesn't just look the part, it sounds it too. The delightful sounds that accompany a successful abduction will have you grinning from ear to ear. But don't be disheartened if you fail. Even then, the UFO responds with a distinctive sound. The UFO also boasts an enchanting blue light, illuminating your room with an otherworldly glow. To make the experience even more immersive, the UFO comes with a transparent cone for display, creating the illusion of a hovering spaceship. It's a conversation starter, a quirky centerpiece that will intrigue your visitors. Like every great product, there might be minor hiccups. For instance, the UFO may not work at first due to slight battery corrosion. A quick wipe should fix it, but remember, it's always better to store batteries separately, especially for longer periods. This UFO item is more than just a gadget. It's a journey into the realm of the extraordinary, a mix of fun, suspense, and intrigue. It's a great addition to your collection or a perfect gift for the quirky gadget lover in your life. Kudos to the creators for crafting such a unique, immersive experience. This UFO item truly takes fun to new heights.